Hello everyone, Steve Bertram from Flex Realty here, just at my newest listing in beautiful Spruce Landing, one of the friendliest 55 plus communities out there. This is Unit 30, it's at 3900 27th Avenue, and it is a beautiful, quiet, friendly, adult 55 plus community. Let's go and have a look inside. The minute you come inside, you get greeted by this nice, friendly, open space where you can greet your guests, and there's a hall closet here to hang their coats. And then of course all the living space and the kitchen is right here. The entrance is bright and inviting. You've got the second bedroom over here, which is nice natural light. It's big enough for any set here. This is a queen set, so it's got plenty of room to walk around, and of course a closet over there for your guests to store their stuff. And then in here, a beautiful vanity that's been all updated, as well as a walk-in shower, and of course a toilet area with assist rail. Let's go have a look at the kitchen. It's a really nice, tidy kitchen. They've upgraded the countertops and done a bunch of work on it. It's got this nice secondary area here for preparation and everything. The stainless steel appliances are like new condition, and you know, it's got lots of natural light, and then of course a pass-through over here to the dining room area. The dining room area is fantastic. It's big enough for any table set here. You could put a little hutch there. They've got a little table, but it's a nice open concept. They've got room for their china cabinet here, and then of course a beautiful little living room area to enjoy. And then out here, a fantastic patio area that's covered, and of course a nice lawn area as well. Beautiful rose garden and various plants out here. It's just like a nice little oasis. And of course there's the covered deck. There's a gate here that's you know, lockable if you want to use it to access the house from the side, invite people in through the backyard. And then of course there's even room for a little storage shed or anything you want over there. And of course room to barbecue. It's almost the full width of the yard here, so it's fantastic. Inside again, we've got the living room, and then let's go over to the master room over here. Now, before we go, we should have a look at this laundry area. Have a look at this. The laundry closet has these beautiful pedestal storage containers, handmade and crafted to fit in there perfectly. And then of course we've got these nice high appliances here, beautiful condition, almost brand new. And then lots of storage up above for your laundry stuff and any extra linens you might have. Back over into here, we've got the master bedroom. The master bedroom is nice and spacious, and it's big enough for any set you might have, queen, king, you name it. And then over here, there's a fantastic ensuite as well, with a full tub shower enclosure in here with grab handles and everything. And actually, look at this, there is a walk-in closet right at the end of the bathroom here. So just when you thought that this place couldn't get any better, there's a walk-in closet in the ensuite. Let's go have a look at the full unfinished basement. The minute you come down, you've got a nice big open space here. They're just using it for storage. There's even a space where you could put your deep freeze over here. Newer hot water tank. The furnace is in really good shape, works great, it's got AC. And then over here, we've got a big open space that's completely waiting for your ideas. You could almost put a bowling alley in here, it's so big. And then over here, you've got a fantastic other area that's all framed in. So you've got room for another rec room or whatever you want. There's just a ton of space in here. Here's the full basement from the alternate angle, and you can just see how vast this space is. And it's all roughed in, ready to go. All you got to do is do some insulation and drywall, and you've got a beautiful extra living space down. Thanks for taking the time to walk through this house virtually with us today. Our new listing at number 30 Spruce Landing. That's at 3900 27th Avenue. You can book online, give us a call. We'd love to see you come through. Steve Bertram, Flex Realty. Have a great day.